Today, I'm making a lavender Cuban Old Fashioned. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my rum. 2 ounces of your good white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. I'm going to put that in my mixing glass. One-half ounce of your 504 syrup, lavender, lemon, and peppercorn. What did I say? Half an ounce? Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And then I'm using Bitter Cube Cherry Bark Bitters. I'm going to put 3 drops of that in. Well, yes, 3 drops. Then I'm going to add my ice, and I'm going to give it a stir. Now, before I strain it into the glass, I'm going to get a fancy ice cube. You don't have to use a fancy ice cube. If you have a couple of regular ice cubes, that will work just fine. But I'll be back with a fancy ice cube. And my fancy ice cube is made with a silicone mold from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. And these are skulls. Well, this one is, and the other 2 in the freezer. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, out. I'm going to drop it in my glass. And my strainer's over here. I'm going to strain the drink on top of that. And that's it. No garnish. Lavender Cuban Old Fashioned. Using 504 syrup, lavender, lemon, peppercorn from Happy Raptor Distilling. Drink with good spirits.